So we already got our hands dirty and we saw how we build a React app. Now, this already answers a bit why we might want to use React. There are more reasons why we want to use React. React helps us with a problem we'll encounter with normal JavaScript. The UI state becomes difficult to manage. In bigger JavaScript applications, you have to manually target elements in your DOM, and if you then change the structure of your HTML code, chances are you need to change the way you targeted your elements because you used query selector. Or even if you use jQuery, traversing the DOM is easier, but it's still always something you have to keep in mind. And if you got more complex web apps where you dynamically add and remove elements, this quickly can become cumbersome. In our course project, we build an app which is highly dynamic, where we are able to build a burger and dynamically add and remove ingredients. If you write this with normal JavaScript code, it's going to be a nightmare. So React helps us by making this whole UI state management a non-issue. It allows us to focus on our business logic instead of keeping our application from exploding. And additionally, React is maintained by a big community. So chances are the React code is written better than we could have ever written it. So therefore it's highly efficient and fast. And the bigger your application gets, the more this matters too. And finally, React features a huge ecosystem and an extremely active community, which means that there's a great chance that for a given problem you face, you'll find a solution or an extra package you can add to fix it. All these are reasons why React is awesome and why you definitely should consider it for your next project and why you made the right choice to start with this course.